Hello my lovelies, you guys, I'm going to show you a demo today using our Russian dual forms in French stiletto. We did already a square one, and we're going to do a stiletto today, and this one's going to be Flash Gel 147, which everybody knows is iconic, and black gel polish. So, the most important thing about the Russian dual forms, the French ones, is that they have this really dope ledge inside, like a little step, and that's going to prevent the French from overlapping each other, and you're going to get razor sharp killer smile lines. So, let's begin. We're gonna measure the dual form, make sure it fits side to side like Ariana Grande says. I am number, what is this? Number 9? Yes, for my pointer finger. I'm gonna use black gel polish. 147. We're gonna start with 147 first because we're gonna do a little glitter first. Okay. So we're going to do a little dot of 147 right here on the inside. Just like that. I'm going to take a liner brush. I'm going to use my Sailor Magic detail brush. I'm going to turn my form upside down and I'm going to work in quadrants, okay? So I like to start in the middle and then guide that gel to where she needs to go. So that way we get a beautiful, sharp, perfect smile line, okay? And then the other side. Take your time, you guys. You have all the time in the world, because these products will not dry until you put them inside the lamp. So you have control. You don't have to rush, like if you're working with acrylic. So you have control, you have versatility, and you have options. A little bit more. You can encapsulate it on the French. You can do whatever you want. You're in complete control. And it's really important to have really good lighting, so that way you can see if you have any high or low spots or if you're missing anything, okay? Perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and bake this for 30 seconds and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to go in with black gel polish 002, the best one coat gel black in the galaxy, in the universe, and in the kingdom. And we're going to do the exact same thing and create a beautiful black French smile line. So we're going to go in and follow the exact same steps and create a beautiful, elegant black French fantasy. Remember, you guys, do everything in halves so that way it's faster and easier and more consistent. Oh my gosh, look how elegant that is. Oh my gosh. This nail is giving me New Year's vibes. So let's do this side, cure it for 1 minute, and then we'll be right back and apply cream poly. Okay, so after it's done baking, look at that, beautiful. We're going to use cream poly gel. I'm going to use pink carnation today, which is a beautiful beigey, soft pink. Look at that, just really beautiful and feminine and soft. For the fantasy, we're going to go in, scoop out a nice dollop, just like that. You can use a brush or, like Max, use your finger. And look at that, fast, easy, beautiful, strong application. And if you need more gel, you can just scoop out a little bit more. Remember, there's no waste with this, because if it came in a tube, it would be harder to put it back in a tube, right? But since she comes in a little jar, if there's any left over, you can go ahead and put it back in. And people say, oh, what about touching it? Isn't that going to cause lifting? No, because my hands are clean. I use nail clean to make sure that there's no oil on my hands, and it balances also the pH of my hand, so that way the product doesn't stick. Okay. If you see a bubble, you can go in with like a dotting tool and go ahead and poke her out. and then tap it out, smooth it out. And I like to keep the gel thin on the sides, thin at the cuticle, and thicker in the middle where she needs that strength. And then to prep the nail, you're going to prep it the same way you would any other nail. So file the entire shine off, go in with 1 coat of nail prep, 1 coat of primer, and then your favorite base gel. You can use Hardy press-on gel or our regular base gel. Cure that, and then we're ready to apply the nail. Make sure we have full contact. Press down firm. Check the inside. Look at that. It doesn't run. That's what's so incredible about this, you guys. You're not going to have that effect. Beautiful. And now we're ready to bake this for 1 whole minute inside the Salon Pro lamp. So after she's done baking, we're ready to pop off the form. This is everybody's favorite part, okay? So what I like to do is I pinch the sides, just like that. And then that sound. Beautiful, look at that. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. Look how sharp that smile line is, you guys. She is no joke. Ooh, this nail is fire. So we're going to go in now, touch up the sides, make sure they're nice and straight. If you file any of the color off, it's okay, because you can just go back in with a little bit more gel polish, touch it up, and she'll be good as new, right as rain. Sure she's nice and sharp. For the stiletto girlies, this nail is giving me like vampire bride realness with flash gel. Voila. Remove the dust. Let's blend out the cuticle. Gonna use the easy bits. Perfect. And then to seal, we're going to use Wonder Gel. So let's get our Wonder Gel ready. But actually, first let me remove that hangnail, because she is not cute. Perfect. And Wonder Gel is a rubber gel top coat, and it will prevent yellowing because it has UV inhibitor in it, and it also has optical brighteners. And one thing about the Russian dual forms in French is you do not have to buff the top. The top coat will fill in any ridges, lines, and give you a perfect finish. And then let's go ahead and bake this for 1 minute. Okay, so after 1 minute, we're going to take the hand out of the lamp, give it 10 seconds, let it finish the polymerization process. We're going to snatch up the shape even more. I'm going to take a 240 grit file, which is the finest file that we have. I'm just going to really gently touch up the shape. Very gently to make sure it's extra snatched. Look at that shine though. Oof, it is fire. She is sharp. She is a cut-a-hoe. Remove the dust. And let's hydrate with cotton candy cuticle oil. Look at that, you guys. Perfection. Oh, obsessed. Look at that smile. Look at that apex. Wow. You already know, my love. enailcouture.com, the best nail products in the world. Vegan, hypoallergenic, chemo-free, and proudly made here in America. So what are you waiting for? Check out our Russian dual forms, Cream Poli Gel, and all of our incredible nail products, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.